Hi, I'm Gary from Cuta-Copter. Thanks for purchasing the Cuta-Copter from us. Today we are going to do the how to charge your battery tutorial. Okay, this is the charger you may have in your box with your Cuta-Copter, and what you need to do is unpack it and get the appropriate wires connected as you see. So starting with the power wire, you select this wire with the crocodile clips from the set of wires included, connect it up to your car battery or 12-volt battery if you're at the dam or the beach, or use the 220 plug if you're using it at home. The charger will then start up, and then on this side we have this cable that goes to the battery, the main power cable, and this side is the balance port that connects up to the battery to balance the cells. It's very important that you balance charge the battery, and that is what we'll show you how to do now. So let's look at the screen of the charger. What we see is program select LiPo battery. We want to keep that selection. By pushing the red button, battery type, we can change the type of battery that you would like to charge, but for our purposes we want to put it on LiPo battery charger. If we push enter, we need to now set the charge amps for the battery. If you have the 5 amp battery, we will leave it on 5 amps and we will set the voltage only. We will push the green button. You'll see 5 amps is flashing. If it flashes, we can change the value. Then we push the green button again. Now the voltage is flashing. So we know that this battery must be 14.8 volts. And then push enter. Now the battery is ready to charge. If you hold the green button down, it will check the battery, and then it will ask you cancel or confirm. If you would like to charge, press the green button once quickly. Let's stop the charge now by pushing stop. As you can see, we have set charge. What we want to do is actually use balance. So push the blue button once. Now we see balance. Now we need to set the amps. If the battery is a 5 amp battery, push the green button. It will flash. Let's increase the value to 5 amps. Push the green button to select voltage. Set it down to 14.8 volts and push the green button. Now you have set it to balance charge at 5 amps with 14.8 volts. Hold the green button down. It will check the battery. Push it once again quickly and the charge will start. Now take note, if you push the blue button, the right blue button once, it shows you the voltage of each of the cells, in this case 3.84 per cell. That voltage will climb to a full charge of 4.2 volts per cell. You can see that the end voltage is 16.8 volts. By pushing the left arrow, you can see how the charger is set. Eventually you will come to your main screen by pushing the right button. These two buttons you can cycle and see different information. The battery will be fully charged at 16.8 volts. 16.8 volts. Right, to summarize one more time, the crocodile clips connect to the power source in. That cable goes to the in port of the charger. The 220 volt cable will go to the wall if you are using it at home. On this side we have the battery cable with the Dean's connector plug going to the battery. This is a 4-cell battery for the Cuta-Copters. balance port plugs in one direction only into the 4-cell or 4S balance port, but make sure you don't force it, otherwise it may cause damage. And then the balance board gets plugged into the charger itself. Make sure that when you are charging, you are running on balance mode. Take note, you need to hold the green button down for the charge to start, and then click it once quickly. Let's push stop. If you just click the green button once, it will not start. That will allow you to set the amperage. If you have the Cuta-Copter Rookie, that's exactly what you need to do. You need to select LiPo battery, click that green button and change the amps figure to 3.3. The voltage remains the same, and then once again to charge, hold the green button down, the battery will check, and then click the green button once quickly. That's it from us at Cuta-Copter. I hope that you are now able to charge your battery without any problems. Thank you.